out here in Knoxville, and actually in most places, you can get free chip drops. So we used up a lot of these chips on our garden and our permaculture food forest tiering operations. And here we're getting the next load because we decided we want to put chips and not have grass. We don't want grass, we want to have a grassless thing on our permaculture food forest orchard section. So you put cardboard down on the grass, especially around the trees. When you try and mow your lawn, trying to get around those trees is a pain in the ass. But if you have chips in the whole yard, especially around the trees, then you don't have to mow around the weeds around the trees because there is none. There's nothing but chips, which is very healthy for the soil in general. So this is our free chip drop for today.